Good evening everyone. Welcome to our channel Technical Videos. Today I would like to show you some cool features of the VLC player. Okay, the first feature of VLC player that I'm going to share with you is screen recorder. To do the screen recording, just open the VLC player, and once you open the VLC player, you can see the media over here. Just click on the media. Once you click on the media, you can see the open capture device. Just click on open capture device. So once you click on open capture device, you can see the capture mode as direct show by default. So this has to be selected desktop. So go to desktop and then select this desired frame rate for the capture. This has to be minimum 30. So in my case, I'm just selecting it 60. So once you select the desired frame rate for the capture, 60 frames per second, just come here and then click on convert. So once you click on convert, this type of window will open here, and then in the profile you have to select the format of the video that we are going to save it. So in my case, I'm gonna select this one, MP3 MP for the first one, and then you have to select the destination file where you want your output file to be saved. So click browse here. I just want to save it in the local new drive E, my recordings. Just give some file name, my recordings 1818 or something, my recordings 1818, and then click save. Once you click save, it will show you the destination file with our file name. So once you're done with this destination file, just click start. So immediately after this, your screen recording will start. So after that, minimize. Your screen recording had already started. So once you're done with the screen recording, just open the VLC again and then click on the stop button. So your recording is done. Your file will be saved at the destination folder. So your destination folder, just go back to your destination folder and check whether the file is saved or not. Just go to volume E, go to my recordings, and this is my recording 1818. So your recording thing is completely saved here. So just close it and make use of this recording. Second feature of VLC player that I'm going to share with you is webcam recording. So to do that, just open VLC player and go to media again and open capture device. Just open capture device, and in this go to direct show, and this video device name has to be OBS virtual camera. You have to select your camera, and audio device name is something, your microphone, real audio. And then again come here and then convert. So once you click on convert, you can see this window and select your desired video format, H.264 plus MP3 MP4. This I'm gonna select this one, the first one, and then your destination file. Choose your destination file location where you want your file to be saved. Just click on browse and go to this, and I'm gonna create a new folder here, something called webcam recordings, just, and give file name here, webcam recordings 1 or something, webcam recordings 1, and then click save and then start it. Once you start, your webcam recording will start here, and once you finish the recording, just come here and then click on this. Once you click on the stop button, you can see your output file at the destination folder. The VLC player that I'm going to share with you is how to take a screenshot of a video. So just open VLC media player and then start playing your video. So once your video starts playing, just go to video and then click on take a snapshot. So it will take a snapshot of your video, and to do that, the shortcut in Windows is Shift plus S. This will be saved in your pictures folder. Okay, the fourth feature that I'm going to share with you is how to convert media files in VLC media player. So to do that, just open VLC media player and then click on media. Once you click on the media, you can see convert and save. The shortcut for this is Control R. Just click on it. Once you click this, you can see the small window opening here, and then click add here. Then select the file which you want to convert. Go to, I'm just gonna convert this my recordings. I just want to convert this file my recordings 18. Just open it here and then click on convert and save. Once you click on the convert and save, it will ask you the desired file format which you want to convert. So I'm gonna convert it to video doc plus mp3. I'm gonna select this one, video doc plus mp3 ts. So once you select the desired file format, then select the destination file where you want to save your video. Just click on browse here, and then in this case I want to save it in the desktop. Just click on desktop. I'd like to create a new folder, converted video. So I want to save it here. Just give the name converted or something. So I'm giving the file name my recording 18 converted, and then click save, and then click start. So once the conversion is done, you can see your file name in the destination folder. Fifth feature that I'm going to share with you is how to record audio and video files that are playing on VLC Media Player. So to do that, just open VLC Media Player, and then first you need to start playing a video. Open file, and then I would like to play this one, my recordings 18. Just click open here, and then this video started playing here. I just want to show it. Just go to view here, and then click on advanced controls. So once you click on advanced controls, there is a new layer which is appearing here. So once you want to start the recording, just click on this red button, so it will start recording. So once you decide to finish the recording, just click on the red button again, it will finish your recordings. So that's all. So all your videos will be saved in videos folder, and all your music files will be saved on music folder. mp3 files will be saved on music folder. Okay, the sixth feature of VLC Media Player that I'm going to share with you is how to add watermark without any special software. So to know how to do that, just see this. Just open VLC Media Player, and then you have to start playing a video first. Open file. So I'm going to play this video, and this video started playing. And then just go to tools here, and then click on effects and filters, and then just go to video effects. And once you go to video effects, you have to go to overlay. Just click on overlay. You will have to add logo here. Just tick mark this. So this is the logo. This is the logo. By default I have selected it, and you can choose the one which you want to be there. So my logo is in desktop. Just click logo one. Just click open. So this is the logo which is appearing, and if you want to move this logo, you can move this through this by giving the pixels here so that it will move. So once you're done with the placement, just click save and close it. So your logo will be saved at that particular place. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe, which will help our channel. Thank you so much, guys.